Sorry. Okay, it is live. So I don't know if you saw my text, but my car died today.
Oh.
Like pretty catastrophically. And I had to walk home with my kids. Well, not all the way home. We ended up getting a ride, but anyway, so I did not get a chance to finish the homework before our meeting.
Okay. The homework or the preparation?
The preparation.
Oh, okay.
So I am not super prepared to do the quiz.
That's okay. And I've been super sick today. I'm not prepared either.
Okay. Do you want to just limp through it together?
Yeah, I feel really bad though.
You feel really sick, bad, or?
I feel bad for being sick and then not being able to help you, but we could try.
No, don't. You're fine. You're absolutely fine. I didn't have the time. I normally go. We have a Y membership, so I'll go to the Y, and my kids will go in the Child Watch, and I do my homework, and it's a pretty great little system. Except, when it isn't. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you finish the preparation assignment?
Yes, I did.
Okay. I guess we can just go over the answers really quick. And then I'll go back and do them again later.
Let's see. A lot of it I had to use the tutoring because it was confusing.
Did the tutor videos help a lot?
Yeah, because he goes over everything.
Do you read the textbook or do you just do the tutor videos?
I do the tutor videos because I'm a visual learner. I can't just read something and then understand it. I have to see how it's being done.
Okay.
So I just watch the videos and but I followed the book for the first one.
Okay.
What was it? The homework? Yeah, I think it was the homework. I can't remember. So for number 1, list at least 3 characteristics of the student's T distribution. Let's see. Yeah, so it said use the information in the reading assignment to complete these questions. I did, but then I also used the tutor video.
Oh, yeah, I think that's the same.
It's pretty much the same bell shape. It's just a little wider. It's symmetrical and has a mean of 0.
Okay.
And then how many degrees of freedom generally does the T distribution have when it is used for inference for a single mean? Sounds really complicated, but the degrees of freedom is just DF. And then the formula is the sample size minus 1.
Oh, okay.
So whenever it says what is the degree of freedom, it's just, so you have a sample size of 139, it's just 138. It's always just minus 1.
Okay, cool.
It sounds really complicated.
Okay, but it's really not.
Yes. And the formula is the exact same thing as the z-score, except for 2 things. So it's x bar plus minus the t times s instead of sigma, because s is the standard deviation of a sample, not the population, divided by the square root of n.
Okay. Got it.
That makes sense. I wrote it. Do you need to see it?
No, I just pulled up the answer key.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Yeah.
So it makes a lot of sense that it would be very similar to what we had before.
Yeah. Because when we do the T score, what is it called? Oh, the T confidence interval, it's the sigma is unknown.
Right.
Okay. So for number 7, I was so confused what we were supposed to do. But there's an Excel spreadsheet that you pull up called quantitative inference procedures.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's another one, quantitative descriptive statistics. You're supposed to go to the statistics one and you enter in all those numbers on the bottom that are above number 8. And then you enter it all into the procedures Excel, and then it gives you a confidence interval automatically. But I was confused how to get that.
Okay.
And then you hi. And then you use those numbers for the rest of the problem.
Okay, cool. Hi.
Which one are you guys working on?
We're going
through
preparation. We just finished the first stage.
You just finished which one?
Number 7.
Of the preparation assignment. I didn't do it because I had car trouble. So Lauren's basically just telling me all about it.
Sounds like fun.
Did you have any questions of the preparation though?
I did. Hold on, I didn't download the question key. I only got the answer key. Let me get that real quick.
Oh yeah, so Kevin's at his graduation.
Yeah.
I thought so.
So actually number 7, I cannot figure out how to figure it out.
Yeah, I had the exact same problem. So I watched the tutor video, and you're supposed to take all of these numbers on the above number 8. And in the textbook, if you scroll down, there's an option to download an Excel spreadsheet. So there's 2 of them you have to download, and then you input all of that. I don't think I'm making sense.
It was
yeah, I would highly recommend watching the tutor video because he shows you exactly what to do.
Right. I started it, I just didn't finish it.
Yeah.
I'll just do that.
But the Excel spreadsheets, that gives you those answers for the sample mean and the sample standard deviation.
Okay.
And then you use those numbers for the rest of the problems. Let me see if I can do it real quick.
You are eating chicken.
Okay. I don't have any questions on the preparation assignment because I'm just gonna have to go back and do it later.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, same.
Want to just jump into the quiz?
Yeah, so I was an idiot and I set an appointment for 2 o'clock, so I'm probably gonna have to skip out in like 15 minutes.
Okay.
But I'll see what I can do before then.
Cool.
All right.
So yeah, I would just watch the tutor video because he explains it really well.
Awesome.
Okay.
So fair warning, the group quiz seems really complicated.
Awesome. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Number 3. In previous lessons, we have assumed the population standard deviation, sigma, is that called sigma?
Yeah.
Was known. In this lesson, we're making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed? Isn't it that we assume sigma is unknown?
Yep.
Okay.
At least that's what I got in the reading.
Okay.
All right. I can read the next one.
Okay.
For the next two questions, let the null and alternative hypotheses be mean equals 8 for null and mean is greater than 8 for alternative. Assume that the population standard deviation sigma is not known. Beckett selects a sample size of n equals 9 and computes x equals 11 and s equals 6. Then it wants to know, is sigma known?
No.
No. So
So, sorry. So sigma's unknown, right?
right.
Okay, and then the next one we just have to solve for the value of t. So the formula for t is equal to x bar minus the funky u that I can't remember the name of over s divided by square root of n.
Right.
Plug it in, right?
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys know about this. There's a website called Desmos, and it's a calculator, and it'll just do the whole problem for you.
Nice.
Yeah.
That does come in handy.
Let's see, I'm sorry, I'll be out of this. So I think for that one, P just be 1.5.
That's what I got. What did you get, Alorn?
I'm still working. Give me 1 second.
Oh yeah, totally. I'm gonna grab my charger. I think my computer will make it, but I don't want to risk it.
Okay, good thinking. Sorry. So x bar is 11. The Q is 8.
It says the mean is 8.
I think I'm doing the wrong formula. What's the formula we're supposed to use again?
Hold on.
I mean,
Formula, it's going to be x minus mean divided by, hold on. So it'll be x minus mean, and then whatever that is, you're going to divide that by whatever s minus the square root of n is.
I was in the wrong formula.
Hold on. You have the textbook.
What's wrong? Sorry, did I miss anything?
Yeah, I'm way confused.
Are we still on number 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, the formula for t.
It's in the textbook. That's where I got it.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. I'm just not very good at explaining it.
Do you have the textbook up, Lauren?
I can get it up real quick.
Okay. It's in chapter or lesson 11, section 2.
Section 2. Sorry about this. I know when I'm in the second section. Okay, really. Oh, let's see. Oh. I see.
It just says like, what if we don't know sigma?
Yeah.
Is the title. You got it? Okay.
Okay, I got 1.5.
That's what I got.
Yeah, me too. Good.
All right. All right. Then the rest of it, I'm probably gonna have to watch the tutor video.
Yeah, I think so too, because I just pulled it up and I can pull up the body temp file, but I don't know how to do any of the work.
Okay. I'm really not feeling good. I think I might be sick again.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get off.
Yeah, totally. I hope you feel better.
Okay. If you guys have questions about anything, I'll do my very best to help.
Okay. Thanks. Feel better.
Thank you.
And you need to go watch the videos too, right? Because I don't know. I have no idea what's going on.
Yeah, same. And I set an appointment for 2 o'clock. So.
Oh, and you're gonna leave for that appointment. Okay, cool. Well, yeah. I will let you go. I'll go ahead and post this anyway, and we should at least get credit for trying.
Some of it.
Yeah, partial credit.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, good luck at your appointment.
Yeah. Good luck with the rest of the assignment.
Thanks. Bye.